Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. We're down here at cabin 1 today, ready to get to work. We're going to take a little break from pulling electrical wires and doing some plumbing and stuff like that to working on what you see behind me here. This is the floor of the loft. And I need to, since I have a little extra insulation, I'd like to get some cut and have it doubled up underneath here, and then we're going to put some boards underneath that to really seal that up and have it finished. Now I have to leave a space, probably gonna leave a board out of the middle or so, because I have some porch lights that are gonna go under there, just some recessed like pancake lights that are gonna illuminate the porch. So we got that to work on today. We're also gonna start cutting to length. I need to start working on the soffit. So if I get some cut to length today, Rebecca's going to stain those this afternoon, and then we can put them up tomorrow. So it's probably going to be the same thing. Probably knock this out relatively quickly, move on over to cabin 3, and wash, rinse, repeat, and do the same thing. So yeah, well, let's get started. All right, guys, still Wednesday here, and I had to run to town, so it's now the afternoon. It's several hours later, but I had to solve my issue here with my wire. You can see there I've got a like a trench kind of dug. I had to drill through the joists and stuff. I needed to figure out how I'm going to get this cable out in here, out to these porch lights here, because if I put what I'm going to do now is put the sheeting up underneath the porch here, and that's going to close everything off. So I had to make sure everything I need is done prior to me putting up these boards. So that's what we're going to work on now. So it's only 1:40 in the afternoon. You know, a quick run to town is an hour, hour and a half, so it wasn't too bad. But I had to get some wire, and you know, there's more story to go along with that. It's just it's so frustrating. So anyway, yeah. So I'm going to start putting some boards up. I've got the compressor all charged up, and we're ready to go. Let's do it. All right, guys, now that we have the bottom part of this loft kind of covered up, looks pretty good. We're gonna have 4-inch round, like I said, LED, like pancake lights out here. So now that that's knocked off, I'm taking a look around and kind of seeing, I was going to start making the boards for the soffit here, but I got up to the front here and realized that, yeah, this wasn't done yet because I wanted to put those loft boards on first. So the siding here is going to cover those ends. So this is good to go now on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and put up siding pieces on here now. Rebecca can come down here and paint this. And then once this is done, I can move on to getting the soffit lengths correct. So let's get a move on. All right, gang, well, we're wrapping up another really productive day. I'm really happy with kind of what we managed to get done today, getting this ceiling on and then finishing the exterior there on the sides. this down here on cabin 1. Like I just showed you as well, the soffit material going to go up tomorrow. That's she's actually up there staining it right now, so we'll get to working on that tomorrow, and that'll be kind of first thing out of the box. Knock that out. I'd also like to probably put the insulation up in here and put the siding on up to at least the window. That would, you know, we could get that painted as well. That window, I look at the website every day and it has been out of stock for months now, and I just hope they're going to have it in there. Otherwise, we're going to have to, you know, go to plan B and just board the whole thing up. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, guys. Hey, that's going to wrap it up for today. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Listen, if you like the content you're seeing here, if you want to hang out, I put stuff out just about every day or every other day, it seems, at this point. So things are just kind of rolling along, and you know, I do the best I can with this. So yeah, if you hit that subscribe button or the bell there, that'll let you know when I post something new. If you hit the like button or comment or anything, it definitely spreads the word for the channel to grow and things like that. I've been over 1,000 subscribers now for a month and a half or so. So just in case you're wondering about the monetization of the channel, it's kind of funny. My first month I made $12. In fact, they don't even cut you a check unless you're over $100. So it's slowly growing. I think I'm up to $30 now. So it's I find it comical when I log in the morning and see what's going on and kind of catch up with everybody. But yeah, it's not all bouquets and roses, I tell you that. So anyway, all right, guys. Hey, like I said, we'll see you on the next one.